This video, we will introduce LORRIC's FUTX310 Ultrasonic Flowmeter installation steps. LORRIC FUTX310 Ultrasonic Flowmeter is delivered in a set and contains the following: electronic device, power supply, pair of probes, metal brackets. It can be one or two, depending on your application, if it will need either V or Z configuration. LORRIC's FUTX310 Ultrasonic Flowmeter installation steps. Step 1. The appropriate installation location. Before starting your ultrasonic installation, find a location with sufficient straight-run pipe for both upstream and downstream, and wherein the pipe is filled completely with the fluid. The standard 10D upstream and 5D downstream is recommended. Step 2. Actual parameter setup, installation, and key indicators reading. Let's begin with setting up the parameters in our device. Switch on and press the Set button in the lower left corner to enter the System Setup interface. This menu will guide you through the installation procedure, including the required parameters input. Select the initial option. From here, enter the outer parameter. Continue with the pipe thickness. Another way to set up. If your working environment doesn't allow you to have the measure of your outer parameter, you can just directly enter your outer diameter and continue with your pipe thickness. And the device now automatically calculates the outer perimeter for you. Next, continue with the pipe material. From here, choose stainless steel. Next, continue with the fluid type. From here, we choose water at temperature of 20 degrees Celsius. Next, continue with the probe mounting. Decide which probe installation method is best suitable for your application. In this case, we choose V method. Based on the input parameters, the device now calculates the advised probe spacing based on the data we previously supplied. Check the probe spacing and make sure to take note of this. Remember to click Save before continuing with the mechanical installation. Step 3. Mechanical installation. Let's continue now with the mechanical installation. Clean your pipe wall and make sure it is free of any dirt or solid stains that can block the ultrasonic waves. Install first the metal bracket. Make sure that you are installing them on the sides and not above your pipe to avoid the air bubbles usually accumulated on top of the fluid. Take out the metal straps and put them into the fixing unit. After the bracket is successfully attached onto your pipe, apply the coupling grease on the probes . Install the probe with reading up in the upstream location and probe with reading down in the downstream location. And the space between them should be the probe distance previously advised by our electronic device. Hand tighten the probes onto the bracket. Make sure that they are locked tight inside the bracket. Step 4. Installation Success Check. To confirm if the whole installation is successful, check the readings of the important indicator parameters such as RSSI, Q, and TOM/TOS. They should show stable measurement data, usually at 100%. If there are problems in the readings, go back to the probes and fine-tune them by putting more coupling grease or making sure that the space between them is correct and that they are perfectly attached onto your pipe.